So today we are looking at a product from Fosi Audio. This is a wireless volume control knob, and this is, I believe it's called the VOL20. And this is actually on Kickstarter right now, so I will put links down to Kickstarter if you guys are at all interested in it. Now, this is definitely not a product that I think every one of us is going to want or need. I, even on one of my computers, have a dedicated volume knob on the actual keyboard. So if you have something like that, I don't know if there's much need for something like this, but the cool thing is that because it's a Bluetooth controller, it does have the ability to connect, to either your iPhone, to probably an Android phone, your computer, anything like that that has that ability to connect via Bluetooth. So, for instance, if you're using your phone to control or like wirelessly AirPlay to your home theater system, you could have this on your desk or at a table and be able to adjust the volume of your phone as long as it's in Bluetooth range. So there are definitely some cool things. Even for me, using this on a desktop is what I'll probably be using it mostly for. Having a volume controller is just easier than me having to either go into the menu system of the computer or having to go on the keyboard to do everything. I can just kind of do it back and forth. You also have some features that allow you to click to play and pause your music. You, I believe, can double click to fast forward or rewind through songs, etc., etc. Definitely some kind of cool features that really take things that would be not difficult by any means, but just make it a little more easy and user friendly, more accessible. Who would have thought volume control, right? But hey, why not, I guess. Plus, it has RGB colors in it. So if you want your desk to look even that much cooler, and who doesn't want that, then this could also be really neat. Right now on Kickstarter, if you get one of the early bird prices, I think they come in Canadian wise, somewhere in that $50, $55, $56 range. So not a horrible price if you can get it there. Anyways, let's just take a look at what comes in the box. So this is it here. So Fosi Audio, again, the VOL20 wireless volume control knob. Not a whole lot on this. It does say that you can play pause, previous next track. There's a mute, unmute, volume up, volume down. There's RGB ambient light, which can also be turned off. And it's a stress relief toy. I don't quite know how that is. I don't think I would use technology and be like, I'm just going to throw this against the wall because I'm stressed. Not that you should ever do that. Anyways, this is kind of it here. Inside the top, my guess is there's something in here. Maybe the USB cable, maybe something else. I don't really know. Yeah, USB cable. And the nice thing is, for charging, of course, it's nice and long. So if you do want to plug it in to charge it, which you will have to do at some point, a nice long cable, which is fantastic. I will definitely be using some of this. You get a user manual, which is here. It's not overly thick by any means, and really language-wise, it looks like you have maybe Chinese and English, and it's like 4 pages. So whatever, that's fine. There's your knob. Yeah, there's your knob. Got my knob out on the table. Anyways, that's it. It does have a little QR code on the bottom. I know I have a phone somewhere. Let's see what that QR code is for. Maybe it has to do something with manual. Maybe it has some extra software. I don't know. Let's see. Or maybe it just takes you to their website. Oops, this page does not exist. Now, that could be just because, again, pre-release. It is in Kickstarter mode right now. So just kind of be aware of that. So that did nothing is what it did. Anyways, you do have your, looks like just a single, is it a single button? No, so there's a play pause button there on the side. This is your LED slash, it looks like a Bluetooth button. There's your USB-C connector. And I do think it has, there's your on off button at the bottom. It does have like, does it have an actual click? Oh, well, it clicks, but it clicks kind of right and left. It doesn't click straight down. It just has like a right and left. I don't know if that's actually what you and I would use to push. We'll figure this out. Let's try it. Let's connect it to my phone here, and we'll just bring up Bluetooth. And I'm hoping that this has some power to it. Hopefully you guys can see that. And we will turn this, I'm guessing, on. Oh yeah, there's that little blue. This is flashing, which usually means that is just pop right up, which is excellent. And requesting, yes, connect, done. And it goes green. So I think on one of these, you can click on this, for instance. Yeah, and you'll see it gets different colors that you can kind of go through, turn on, off, or. And I think one of these allows you to rotate to change its colors. Yeah, so this one here, you can rotate it. So you can kind of go through and find that exact color that you kind of want, right? And one is, I think one also lets you kind of go through and just let it kind of cycle through your colors. Before we go further, I'm going to put up their little intro screen, their little intro video, so you guys can see it. It kind of goes through what all the buttons do. But anyways, we have it here. I'm going to bring this up here, just some Apple Music here. And not that we need to play any music, but if I go to playlists and we'll just find I have a copyright-free music. Very good. Cool. So there it is. Yeah, look at that. Volume. Right? Useful? Sure. Yeah. And then if do you click on it? Is there a click? So no, doesn't seem to have a click there. You must have to use the buttons, right? So if you click on the side, there's your pause. Cool. There's your click, right? Now I'm guessing if you 1, 2. Well, let's rewind. 1, 2, 3. And 2. Okay, 1, 2, it goes forward. 1, 2, 3 goes back, right? Is that how I can? That's useful. And there's my little RGB, little purple color, right? Click. Nice. And then the other one over here is your light, right? So this is where you can Again, like we showed, you can click on it, and if you're just like, you know what, I don't want any light, there you go. You know, it's hefty. It's got nice little grips on the bottom. It's not gonna like, it doesn't slide on the table, which is good, right? It will, but not unless you really give it some push. So it's gonna just sit there and move, which is good. I'm gonna just connect it to my computer and see if it works there. Hold on one sec. All right, so we're over here on the computer right now, and same idea. My guess would be all I have to do is go into Bluetooth, and we'll go into Bluetooth settings, so it pops up here, and we will turn this on. My hope is that it will go into like a searching mode. So it does go blue again because it realizes that it's been disconnected, so I forgot it from my phone. And there it is right there, so I'm just going to connect. And for me, this is probably where it will live, is on my computer. So we are connected. This is 100% battery life. And if I had that sitting here, of course, there's my volume. You guys may be able to see it, my volume up and down. Yeah, so it works great on both. This will be actually useful. I would find that way faster than going into my keyboard and things like that. Again, it's not one of those products that you're like, oh, I need to have that. You don't. It's not a must-have by any means. But yeah, that's still pretty cool, right? That's still pretty cool. I like that. And then I can just kind of come in here and turn my little light on, right? And if I click on this one, will I be able to play this? This is see, play. Yeah. That's good, right? Hit the little side button. Pause. Yeah, that works good. All right. If you guys are looking for a volume controller and, you know, $50-ish Canadian, between 50 and 60, I think it is with the conversion, that's kind of neat. I like it. All right, guys. Links to the Kickstarter campaign, and I will see you guys next video. Later.